Hello guys and hello ladies, gentlemen, and viewers. I got a new combination lock for my mom, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. It is not generic. It's made by the company Guard, but they do look like they guard security, but they do look like they make generic locks and stuff, but they don't. They've been around for quite a while, since the 50s, I think, with their locks and stuff. Very good quality locks. Actually have one on my shed to hide my bikes and stuff from thieves or whatever. But anyway, yeah, I need this for my school. To prevent somebody from going to my locker, I'm not going to show the code. Probably because most of the people from my school, some people from my school watch, well, some people from my school usually watch the videos. I didn't do anything to the box, well, except for this one rip that I did right here. I don't know if I'm going to keep the package, but I know I'm definitely about to use this. So my gym clothes won't get stolen out of my locker like it did last year. And last year my friend didn't have a lock, and somebody stole literally a shoestring from him. Like from his black dress shoes, like literally a freaking shoestring. Like a black dirty looking shoestring. And so my mom was all like, "Are you allowed to have locks this year?" And I was like, "Yeah, finally." Because last year they didn't have us do it, and there's like a big problem with, people going through other people's lockers and stealing and stuff. But the only time they'll be yeah, so my school has a strict rule on this. So like, we could get key locks, but like, if they need to do a police search for drugs and crap, they'll need to break your lock. So I told my mom about this, and she was like, "I'm not about to buy you no key lock for no reason." So she was like, "Can a combination lock work?" I was like, "Yeah, I could just show them the code and stuff." But yeah, a whole bag of my clothes got stolen. My deodorant got stolen. My freaking $80 cologne got stolen. Like, my mom bought me some $80 cologne. It's in one of my videos. It's called the Jordan Sport Flight. The Jordan Sport Flight cologne. And oh my gosh, I didn't tell my mom that it got stolen, but she probably won't even care. She hasn't thought about it ever since she bought it for me for Christmas. But this lock is actually weatherproof and rust resistant, and you can use it on lockers, gates, garages, Foot Lockers. Wow, Foot Locker. My auntie actually works at a Foot Locker. Cages, bicycles, mailboxes, shed doors, cellar doors, chain locks. Features one-piece dial and turn knob, self-scrambling Scrabbles combination automatically. Oh my gosh, that'd be nice. Self-lock unlocks in any dial position. Hardened steel shackle, easy read numbers. Instructions complete combination. Instructions located in back of lock. No combinations provided on removable sticker on back of lock. So yeah, these are included with the stickers. I might include it, but I don't want to be at risk of somebody coming to my school and taking all my stuff, because I do have a lot of stuff. Yeah, because usually I bring my Wii remote, my class controller. Not, the school doesn't have a Wii, but it's basically for my phone, so I can play emulators on there. Alright, it says to open, turn right. Then yeah, alright, so I'm gonna try this out. Alright, I'm gonna have to remember the code for this. Crap. Alright, wait. Alright, sweet. Here's the code. I'm getting a Samsung Galaxy S3 for my grandma for Christmas. So basically, I won't have to worry about putting it in this position because she already has a case for it. Alright, okay.
Roy, did you take your shower already?
Yeah, I already took my shower.
Huh?
I took my shower.
Okay.
Push a shackle for automatic locking and self-erasing combination. Alright, I'm still trying to do this. Alright, 12. Turn right. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Your number. Alright, turn left. One full turn. Pass 22. Wait. Turn left. Okay, never mind. Alright. Okay. Left, one turn, full pass. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh gosh, I might have a trouble with this combination lock. Alright. And stop at the number. Alright. Alright, turn right. I'm gonna stop at 0. Alright, 1, 2. Alright. One, 2. Alright, I almost got it. Okay. Oh my gosh, this freaking combination like is hard. Alright. Cause they put the number stamps on the wrong thing. It's neither that or they just did it all wrong. Alright. Oh gosh, sorry about that. Oh my god, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2. Alright, and then 1. Aw, man, this is why I hate combination locks. They're so difficult. Aw, man, I don't know if I'm gonna use this for school now. I like key locks better, but then the key gets lost, it's over with. It's over and done with. Alright, alright. Turn right 2 or more times. 1, 2. Alright, I'm gonna stop at the third time. 3. 1, no, 1, 2. Alright. 1. Oh my gosh, is this like broke? Like, alright. Turn right 2 or more times and stop at this number. Turn left 1 full turn. That's what I'm doing. Pass above number. Oh, okay. 2 more turns. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try this. 1, 2. Alright. And then pass this number. Pass this number 1 full turn. So 1. I almost got it. Oh my gosh. I haven't used the combination lock in quite some years. But I kind of remember how to use it. Okay. 1 full turn. Oh gosh. 2 full turns. And then stop at this number. I'm sorry about the camera. It's just like so off. Alright, stop at this full number. Right, this full number. Alright. And then turn right once you passed it. 1 full turn. Alright, stop at this number. Then, okay. Oh, 1 full turn. Okay, I was doing the wrong thing. Alright. Oh my. You know what, man? Alright. 2 or more full turns and stop at. Alright, man. 1. Wait, no. Oh, turn right. I was doing the wrong thing. Yeah, I was doing the right thing. 1, 2. One. Alright. I just did it freaking man, you know, I don't even want this lock anymore, man. If it's gonna take me this long to unlock it. Alright, 2 or more full turns, turn right. Alright. 2, 3. Alright, stop there. Okay, I freaking stopped there. Turn left on full turn. Past above number. Alright. 1. Alright. Turn right and stop at 3. Oh, you know, I don't even want this lock anymore, man. This is starting to make me freaking mad, man. I don't even want to use this lock anymore. Man, and I thought, man, like, it is kind of good, but then, man, this takes too much time just to do. She should have just got me a key lock, man. My sister got it, but I don't got it. I don't want to get her to get the code because all right, it says turn right, 2 or more full turns, and stop at 12. Then it says turn left, 1 full turn past 22, above number, and stop at 3. And stop at 22. Turn right and stop at 3. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm freaking throwing this thing out the freaking window. No, I actually won't do that though. My mom would be extremely mad at me. Turn right. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna ask my sister. I don't. 12, 22, 3. 2 more turns and stop at 22. Turn left, 1 full turn past above number and stop at 22. Turn right and stop at 3. Okay. So, 2 or more. Okay. Turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I stopped at 12. Alright. I'll turn left. Above number. Okay. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna just try to do it. 1, 2. Alright. Alright. 1, 2. And 1. Oh man, this is why I don't like these locks, man. I don't know if I could get this lock working. I'll try to watch some YouTube videos to see how it is.